Presenting a pre-owned 2022 Mercedes-Benz CLS. This four-door sedan has a six-cylinder, 3.0-liter i6 engine, with all-wheel drive, and an automatic transmission. This Mercedes-Benz is a steal with less than 4,000 miles on the odometer. Estimated fuel economy for this vehicle is 22 miles per gallon in the city, and 30 miles per gallon on the highway. This vehicle is in excellent overall condition. Key features include air filtration, front air conditioning, airbags, auxiliary audio input, speed-sensitive volume control, anti-lock brakes, braking assist, power brakes, cruise control, power steering, power windows, universal remote, smartphone integration, digital odometer, external temperature display, moonroof, blind spot safety, child seat anchors, seatbelt force limiters, power door locks, stability control, traction control, navigation system, wireless data link, and window defogger.